Hi guys! I think everyone loves Spam. If you're not a vegetarian, a can of Spam is probably sitting in your pantry right now. Full disclosure, I have a few cans in my pantry. There is no shame in sucking up Spam, especially when it's on sale. This Spam fried rice is probably cost less than $5, and that's for 2 servings. When we first came to America in the 80s, my family and I must have eaten Spam every other day. From fried rice to sandwiches to curries, we add Spam into everything. So I have a few recipes, but the quickest, most comforting, and foolproof guaranteed to put you in a good mood is Spam fried rice. It is my go-to dish when I am lazy and just want to binge watching the adventure movies with the least amount of effort to do anything too elaborate. You just can't go wrong with Spam fried rice. Yep, all done in 5 minutes or less. Let's make this. First, the Spam. It is already cooked. So what we want to do here is to crisp and brown it up a little. You can use the oven bake or air fry. I pan fry mine here with a little bit of oil. Then cut them up in cubes to add them back into the wok later. I also like to use the trio vegetable, peas, carrots, and corn from the frozen section. No need to thaw them. If you have fresh, even better. Just be sure to cook until tender. Frozen vegetables are flash cooked already, so it takes less time in the wok. Now a quick tip on stirring. Be gentle. Once the rice is added, be sure to mix everything with a soft hand. We don't want to break the rice nor stir crazy, making mushy rice. Once everything is combined, you only need to turn the rice a couple of times. My last tip, Spam is already salty. Adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard sauce number 9, then taste before adding more sauce. You want the color of the rice to be a nice light brown as you see here. It took me about 5 minutes to prep and cook this delicious Spam fried rice. Let me know if it takes you longer. By the way, I'm using my mustard sauce number 9, the red label. You can find it at etsy.com, that's ETSY. Thank you and enjoy the movie.